Dan Johnson rules. Again, sorry about the abrupt ending of the last video. Turns out that my backup right here is big. It's a pretty bad scratch. Anyway, like I was saying, load up the original disc. No, none of this is fake. I wouldn't lie. I know it's all quiet, that's because my TV's got, like, the sound is off. Uh-oh. Please excuse me for a second. Sorry about my pause and all that. Just forget about all that and thought someone might have been calling me. Strictly speaking, I'm got it from the video games for today, but I'm not actually playing. I'm showing my viewers. So I got the original disc. Still loading up just fine. Love my LCD TV. Love it. I said love it. Anyway, cutting through all this, here comes the important part. Again, take your slide card, feel around for it, the notch. Just swap the discs. The Sims. And now my game is running the backup. It's running perfectly. See? Here's the original. You can play all the way through any mode, which I might show in my next video, because I have to turn it off. Not supposed to be playing right now. Stupid ground level. Anyway, sorry again for the interrupted video tutorial. But this proves that you no longer need You don't need swap magic, you don't need Cogswap, you don't need a mod chip, any of that. You just need the original disc. Anyway, that's my tutorial. Once again, my name is Dan Johnson Rules. Look me up on YouTube. Should be my first vid. That's all.